Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today we will find out about Anglo-Saxon coins. The Anglo-Saxons had began settling in England from around 450 CE. Before this, England had been occupied by the Romans, who had been minting coins here since around 266 CE. The last Roman coins made in Britain were those of Emperor Magnus Maximus between 383 CE and 388 CE. After this, coins were shipped to Britain from other parts of Europe. After the Romans left Britain in 410 CE, coins were not produced in England again until early in the 7th century. Anglo-Saxon coins began appearing in the 7th century, 200 years after the Romans left. These coins tell us about early English kings, trade, and art. There were a number of Anglo-Saxon kings ruling different regions of England at the same time. Kings had their own coins made depicting features linked to themselves. King Egbert was ruler of Wessex between 802 and 839. In 829 CE, silver pennies were minted inscribed with Egbert Rex, which means King Egbert. Offa was king of Mercia from 757 until his death in 796. His pennies were one of the finest from this period, inscribed Offa Rex and depicting an image of his bust. Alfred the Great, King of Wessex from 871 to 899, used his coins to show his power. His coins were trusted by people and used across different regions. By around 700 CE, Christianity was a large part of life across England, and this was reflected in the coins, showing symbols of a cross. Some coins, like the coins of Aldrich, who was king of Northumbria, shows images of animals and demonstrates the artistic skill of Anglo-Saxons at this time. To stop coins being forged, they were minted. This means they were stamped with markings to show where and when they were made. Although coins were minted throughout England, some of the busiest places were London, Canterbury, and Winchester in the south, and in the north, what we now call York. The first Anglo-Saxon coins minted in the early 7th century were made from gold, but they were rare. Soon after, most coins were made from silver. Archaeologists have found coins from other countries in Anglo-Saxon burial sites, showing regions in England traded with other places in Europe. So what can we learn about the Anglo-Saxons from the coins they left behind? We can find out about early English kings and the regions they ruled. We can discover the religion of the Anglo-Saxons and when they began to convert to Christianity. We can find out about which countries they traded with and which materials they had access to. We can look at the skills used by men to make the coins and how they were minted. For your hands-on activity, use clay to design and create your own Anglo-Saxon coins. For more information about this activity and related activities, please go to handsoneducation.com, the Anglo-Saxons. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye.